What is up, guys? It is Just the Pain back here again with another motovlog video, and today we're gonna do a wheelie real fast. Alright, that wheelie was terrible. See if we can redo him ourselves. Oh, there we go. Got a good wheelie going on right there. Alright, let's do another one down here, and let's go on our little adventure. Alright, I'll turn around. And then turn it around. Now I'm gonna do one right here. Alright. Oh man. I went sideways. Alright, try one more time right here and then we'll go. I think my tire's low, because it keeps on pulling to one side. Yeah, it's low. Oh, here we go. Let's go. Oh. Last time I was coming in here, I hit a rabbit or a bird or something. A rabbit or a bird, either one. It flew across, but it smacked my foot, and like, it hit the tire, smacked my foot, and then kept on going, and I was like, what the heck is this? And like, I kept on going, I stopped, turned around, and it booked off in the bushes. So, I mean, at least it's still alive. Probably knocked it out for like a couple of seconds, so let's speed through here. I lean back on my bike so I can give you guys a perfect angle, but it's like hecka hard. Cause like your foot just wants to slide off of it. My main goal after I get my new bike, I've been saving up, guys. I know you guys probably want to see something with more power so I can do more wheelies, more tricks, and everything. Well, I'm probably gonna buy a pair of Alpine Star boots. These ones, they're pretty good, not bad. They're kind of old though, in a way. Man, I still need to tighten my exhaust. Forgot about it. Oh my goodness. I still don't think that's funny. There's a piece of cinder block in the middle of the woods. Explain that. You can't. I mean, this is in the middle of a trail. I mean, it's just crazy. I just think it's funny. I want to say thank you guys for 29 subscribers. That really helped me out. It was really helpful, you know, for growing my channel. I just want to say thank you guys. I mean, technically, it's actually your guys' channel, but I'm just running it. Alright. Let's go touch the sign. Motorcyclists use extreme caution. Touched it. Oh man, we're in the neutral. Alright, I guess if you likes today's vlogs, please like and subscribe. And until next time, deuces.